What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button. And then click on this restart option, and after restarting it will fix small software glitches like network issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off flight mode or airplane mode 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, it will help you to refresh the network signals, and after refreshing the signals the no signal issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this solution, then try reinserting your SIM card. There may be a problem with your SIM card or SIM jacket. So take out the SIM jacket and clean your SIM card with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, insert it back again. And after that, check if the signal issue is solved or not. So if the issue is still there, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now over here click on reset network settings option, and then again click on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, and after resetting these settings the no signal issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.